Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Botswana. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are navigating towards e-visas because they are very easy to apply and it boosts their tourism with a lot of convenience too. So in front of you, I have opened this e-visa government website of Botswana. The very first thing is that do you really need a visa? So you need to put your country name here. For example, I mean, I'm just putting sample, but you need to do as per your case. If I put India and I click on check, yes, it's required. Similarly, let's say if you're Canadian, not required. Okay, so you need to check it there like that. And there are some like common questions like how it's gonna be. So first you need to create an application, you need to make the payment, you need to complete the visa application by providing documents and all, okay, whatever they ask, okay. And then you need to check the visa status. I mean, if granted, you are all good to go. So when you click on apply now, okay, you need to put your, now I'm going to put sample information. This is not real. You need to put as per your own case. These details, like even every spelling, check it at least 2 times, okay, not just one, 2 times. Passport number, everything. Expiry date. The sample nationality. The drop down, so you can select India. Type of visa requested. So this field is also drop down. So I select tourist. Oh, I think I lost it. I'll do it once more. Yeah, now it went. Number of entries. What options I have? I select multiple. Oh, I have to type first. Okay. Proposed length of stay. I say, let's say I go to 25. Just sample. Put your email and click on continue. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you in the next screen. So that was the first step where it completes your registration and it generates one registration number for you. You need to save it. Okay. Next, it shows you the fee. So you have to pay. Of course, I'm not going to pay. And then it's going to take you to the visa form where, let me go back and see. Transaction. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. So where it takes you to the form, then you're gonna fill up all the other information, including like your. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, this link is not here. We're just gonna ask all your details, your occupation, your address, your plans, hotel stay, etc. And then in the document, it's gonna ask your documents to be uploaded. Now, general requirements. What are the things you need? Passport, photograph, supporting documents, required documents like applicant. Additional requirements for tourists, you can see tour plan, flight booking, return ticket, confirmation of hotel booking, and this much fee. Okay. Financial requirements were also given. All right, so that's how you can apply, and if it is granted, it's all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.